Look at this. Perfectly smooth, creamy ice cream swirling into shape. Rich, glossy, and absolutely irresistible. But have you ever wondered how this perfect ice cream is actually made? Behind every single scoop, there's a hidden world of machines, precision, and science. Today, we're going inside a high-tech ice cream factory to uncover the entire process. Everything begins with fresh milk, delivered in large quantities from trusted sources. But before anything else happens, every drop is carefully tested. Quality, purity, and safety are checked at every level. Inside these massive stainless steel tanks, the milk is stored under controlled conditions. From here, it flows through a network of pipes, moving deeper into the production line. Now, the foundation of flavor begins. Sugar, cream, and carefully selected ingredients are added in precise measurements, because even the smallest imbalance can change the final taste completely.
Temperature stable at 95 Celsius. Data confirms the flow rate is optimized. Initiating cooling sequence now.
This is where the real transformation begins. The mixture enters powerful industrial mixers, constantly blending until it becomes smooth and uniform. Watch closely as rich chocolate flows into the mixture.
The base is churned slowly in these vats, ensuring that
blends.
perfectly smooth, silky
In another
consistency
line,
before it
fruity
moves on to
flavors
the
like
freezing
strawberry
tunnels.
and mango are added, each batch crafted separately with precision. Every flavor you enjoy is created through careful timing and exact ratios. At this stage, the texture starts to change, becoming thicker, richer, and more refined. Step that many people don't even realize. Air is gently added into the mixture, a process that gives ice cream its light, soft, and creamy texture. Without this step, ice cream would feel dense and heavy. Next, the mixture moves toward the freezing system, where temperature drops rapidly. As it cools, the liquid slowly transforms into soft, flowing ice cream. And right here, you can see the first signs of that perfect swirl forming. Smooth, glossy, and incredibly satisfying. Now the ice cream enters an extreme freezing environment. Temperatures here are incredibly low, allowing the structure to fully set in just seconds. The soft texture becomes firm, yet still creamy inside. And then comes one of the most satisfying stages: chocolate coating. Each piece is dipped into a flowing curtain of rich chocolate, instantly forming a smooth outer shell. As it cools, the coating hardens perfectly. Toppings like nuts and sprinkles are added, giving texture, crunch, and visual appeal. At the same time, different molds shape the ice cream into bars and popsicles, each one identical, each one perfect. Once the ice cream is fully formed, it moves onto high-speed conveyor belts. Here, advanced machines wrap each piece, quickly, precisely, and without stopping. Every second, dozens of ice creams are packaged. Then, they are placed into cartons, stacked neatly by robotic systems. These cartons are organized onto pallets and wrapped securely for storage. Inside massive cold storage rooms, the temperature is carefully controlled, ensuring every product stays fresh until it's ready to be delivered. Now it's time for distribution. Orders are prepared, and boxes are selected based on demand. Forklifts transport the pallets to loading bays where refrigerated trucks are waiting. These trucks are specially designed to maintain freezing temperatures during transport. And once everything is loaded, the doors close, and the journey begins from factory to your local store. The trucks arrive in busy cities, delivering ice cream to supermarkets and stores. Inside, the products are carefully arranged in chilled display freezers. And then, someone opens the door. Cold air escapes as a hand reaches in and picks the perfect one. The wrapper opens, revealing that smooth chocolate coating. And finally, the first bite. A perfect balance of crunch and creamy softness
Okay,
inside.
pull it slowly over the lip. All right, I have the trolley. We should be clear now.
That one simple bite is the result of an entire journey, from fresh milk to advanced machines to precision, speed, and care. So the next time you enjoy an ice cream, remember, you're tasting the result of a perfectly engineered process